welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys why any number to the power of 0 equals 1. So let's just say we have the number 2. We have the number 2, right? So what is 2 to the power of 5? Well, this is 32. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Now let's go one lower. What is 2 to the power of 4? 2 to the power of 4 is 2 times itself 4 times. In other words, it's 16. Now let's go one lower. What is 2 to the power of 3? 2 to the power of 3 is 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. And this is 8. And let's go one lower again. What is 2 to the power of 2? This is 2 times 2, which is 4. And finally, we have 2 to the power of 1. And this is 2. And remember, exponents are when our base here, which in this case is 2, is multiplied by itself x amount of times, x being our exponent. So 2 to the power of 1 is 2 because 2 is multiplied by itself 1 time. 2 to the power of 2 is 4 because 2 is multiplied by itself twice, 2 times. And as you can see, every time we go up an exponent, every time we increase our exponent by 1, our answer is multiplied, or our answer is increased by times 2. Every time the exponent increases, our answer is multiplied by 2. So right here we have 2 to the power of 1 equals 2. And 2 squared, this is 4. This is 2 times 2. And 2 to the power of 3, this is 8. This is 4 times 2. 2 to the power of 4, this is 16. This is 8 times 2. So it's multiplied by its previous exponent twice. And the same thing if we were to do 5. We have 5 times 1. 5 to the power of 1, 5 to the power of 2, 5 to the power of 3, 5 to the power of 1 is 5, 5 to the power of 2 is 25, and 5 to the power of 3 is 125. And as you can see, the same rule applies. We have 5 to the power of 1 is 5, 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is 125. So every time it is multiplied by the base once more. So now going through this same rule, why don't we go backwards? And when we're going backwards, we're dividing by the base. So 32 divided by 2, that's 16. 16 divided by 2, that's 8. 8 divided by 2, that's 4. 4 divided by 2, that's 2. And then we have to decrease our exponent. And when we do that, we're dividing by 2. Meaning 2 divided by 2 is 1, so 2 to the power of 0 is 1. And we can go even lower. We could do 2 to the power of negative 1, and that is equal to 1 divided by 2. And we can go even lower, 2 to the power of negative 2. This is equal to 1/2 divided by 2, which is 1/4. And it just goes on and on and on. So this is why any number to the power of 0 equals 1, and this rule applies to all exponents.